How to change your account name on eBay. In this video, I'm gonna show you how you can change your eBay username on phone. And if you don't know how to do that, then this video is gonna be very helpful for you. So make sure you watch this video all the way till the end. Now let's begin the tutorial. First up, to change your name on eBay, open eBay app on your smartphone. And here, tap on this 3 horizontal line at the top left corner. Now here if I scroll down, and if I click on settings, and if I click on account information, actually here you can see there is no option to change your username. By the way, you can change your shipping address, but that's not your username. So what you're gonna do to change your account name on eBay, you need to head over to ebay.com on your browser. So open up any browser on your smartphone and go over to ebay.com, and here sign in to your eBay account. So tap on this 3 horizontal line and tap on sign in. And sign in to your eBay account using your email and password. So let me do this real quick. Once you're signed into eBay, here on your browser, you need to enable desktop mode. So turn on desktop site on your browser first. Once your browser gets desktop mode, here at the top left, click on your name. And then tap on account settings. Now here, under your personal info, tap on personal information. And if it asks you to enter your password, then enter your password and tap on sign in. Once you signed in, here you can see your username in your personal information. So here you can see this is my username and I'm gonna change this username. So to change it, tap on edit right to your username. And here you're gonna read, if you change your username, you won't be able to modify it again for 30 days. So bear that in mind. Now let me change my username. After changing your username, tap on save. And now let me sign in again. And here you can see I have successfully changed my username on eBay on my phone. And this way you can change your name or eBay username on phone. And if you found this video helpful, then do me a big favor by hitting that like and subscribe button. And if you want to delete your eBay account, then watch this video and I will see you in the next one.